Hey everybody. Hey NailTubers. So yeah, I got another package, friend mail, and this one comes to me from my nail sister, loved by Verdie Nails. I was at a loss for words for a moment because all the things that have been happening have been so touching and so moving, and I am just so thankful for everyone that I've come to know, even if it's just in one comment where you said something that caught my attention and I responded to you. I am just so amazed at the experience that I've been having with each and every one of you. So Verdie DM'd me, and Verdie said, listen, I want to thank you for all the support that you've been giving me. So I want you to go on the website and pick out a few things that you might like. And wow, like, what do you say besides thank you? And so I did. I went on her website and I picked out a few things, and she wanted me to get back to her and let her know. I'm turning to get the scissors. She wanted me to get back to her and let her know what I wanted so that she could put it in the mail. And so I did. Oh, let me read this real quick. Thank you for supporting my small business. Verdie, your business ain't small, okay? It's gonna grow. You are gonna be successful. I'm speaking it. I wish the best for you. Thank you so much. So where was I? Oh yeah, so she told me to go on the website and pick out a few things that I wanted, and she wanted to thank me for all the support that I've been giving her. And wow, like, so I did. I went on the website and I picked out a few things, and then I got back to her. Oh my goodness. And when I got back to her, she says, is that all? You got to pick out more. And I'm like, what? It was so funny because she couldn't see my reaction because, of course, we're on Insta DMing each other. So yeah, she said I didn't pick out enough. So I said, I tell you what, how about you pick out what you want me to have then? So that's what this package is. So there's this card. Oh, that's nice. Hey, Miss Tommy, I hope you enjoy your goodies. This is just a small token of my appreciation for all of your support. Appreciate you so much. Love, Verdie. Verdie, thank you, because I really appreciate you too. You've been just as much of a support to me as well. Oh, and did I mention, guys, because Verdie is the one that hosts the monthly members collab that we do, and she's been so welcoming to me from the very beginning when I was new to YouTube, and I love her for it. So I even thank her because she didn't know me at the time. I believe those that were collabing with her had been doing it for a while, because to me they all seemed to know each other even by name, and I was just a newcomer. Oh, look at these holographic black and gold nail stickers. I'm hoping that you guys can see this. Let me kind of move so I can kind of tell in the camera. Yeah, you can. Look at, they look so magnificent. Ah. Let me scoot this over just a little bit. Shift this card over some. Throw that in the middle. So yeah, I was brand new to YouTube. I think I came across Verdie like within a couple of months of being on YouTube. So let's see. Oh, I remember these. This is a car seat key. But you know what? I remember her mentioning you know, you use this even because you have long nails. Look at that sticker. That's so cute. I think it would be good for like key codes, like how you punch in the numbers at the ATMs. You punch the numbers in at the ATMs without touching it. And I'm also wondering, in my mind just now, I started thinking, I wonder if, you know how it's hard to kind of like dig in there and reach your seatbelt release? I'm wondering if this would be good for that. I'm thinking of the tight space. That's why I was kind of like hesitant to say it, but it also comes in a different color too. Isn't that cute? A car seat key. Oh, look at that box. Oh, so special. I feel special. Oh. So this is what she calls a nail gripper. To some of you, it may be something else, right? It's used by smokers as well. So it's a nail gripper. If you can't get your card, because I know it happens to me a lot. I can't get my card out if I have my nails done, so that's good for that. And it's also good for smokers. Oh, it's got a little charm on the end. Let me put it back in the box so you guys can see it with the charm. It says love. How perfect. From Love by Verdie Nails. That's so cute. Thank you, Verdie. I'm so excited. And this is a brush holder. Oh, you know what? And these come in different colors too. And if I remember right, I think Verdie handcrafts these. You guys need to check it out. This is too cute. I got to tell you guys a little story about this brush holder situation here. Okay. It's a little crown. Some of you guys may already have these, but I've never had one. So it's so cute. It's silver. And you know what? It's perfect for me because I have silver chrome that borders my desk. So this is just so matchy-matchy. Okay, so let me just show you guys. So this has been my brush holder. This has been my brush holder. I'm going to set it on the card. There it is. And this has been my brush holder. And you guys know what this actually is? It's not a brush holder. This is actually chopstick. This is a chopstick holder. So when you do your table setting for a dinner, and I don't have any chopsticks in front of me, but I'll use 2 brushes as an example. So let me try to match the brushes. So you rest your chopsticks as such. So, and you know what? I hadn't used it in a while. I hadn't even been using it in a while. I totally forgot that I had it in here. So now I got something that's going to match my desk. So cute. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, and these are blue volcano stones. I'm going to open up the larger side so that you guys can see them better. In fact, let me get something to put them in. So there's the stones. The stones, guys. The stones. I know you guys know I always insert that clip from a previous video. These are so pretty. They're deep and colorful. They're like the AB crystals, but dark. But you guys remember my very first nail display stone that I got that I was just like so excited over? It's like this, but they're just a smaller version. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Verdie. Thank you so much. I appreciate you too. Look at me staging everything. I'll put that on top of there. I am so excited over everything. Everything. I love everything. I love these stickers. Love them. They're so brilliant. I love these stones. They are so colorful and so pretty. And I love this. I love it all. Thank you, Verdie, so much. I really appreciate you. Now, guys, if you haven't seen Verdie's channel, she's on YouTube at Loved by Verdie Nails. And you know something? In continuing to show her love and support, let me just plug her website, which is dedicated to nails. Her website is Loved by Verdie. Her feature item has been her luscious cuticle oils, guys, as well as her cuticle butter. Both come in several different fragrances. You need to check it out because it is so silky and smooth. And aside from what you saw today, she also has rhinestones, nail foils, nail stickers, oh, and even nail stands, guys. I also just saw that she had some very cute holiday foils and holiday Christmas stickers. So please go and check her out and show her some support if you're looking for things for the holiday to do your nails with or do your services with. I think you'll find something that you like there. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I thank you for coming and spending your time with me today. If you did like this, remember to hit the like button and leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel and become a part of our NailTube family. And when you do, remember to hit the notification bell so that you never miss any more uploads from me. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next video.